Hello. You're driving along, feeling safe and comfortable in your car. But as the landscape zips by and the miles clock up, I know of 4 things that are affected by the road, the weather, and many other factors. You've guessed it. I'm talking about your tires. And I'm not telling you anything you don't already know. Over time, they wear out, sooner or later. In this video, I'll explain to you why tires wear out, how to control their wear, and share some tips with you on how to limit this wear. Welcome to the Michelin Garage, the tire expert's garage. Understanding why and how a tire wears out. Just like when you use an eraser to erase pencil mark on a sheet of paper, your car tires wear out as you drive. This wear is caused by several different factors, and it's often a combination of them that impacts the wear rate. There are 2 types of factors. Those that depend on the driver, such as tire pressure. Are your tires inflated to the correct pressure? If they are underinflated, they will wear out faster at the edges and your fuel consumption will get worse. If they are overinflated, the center of the tire tread will wear out faster. Poor wheel alignment. Non-uniform friction of the tire on the road leads to uneven and rapid tire wear. Driving style. If you accelerate or brake hard, your tires are put under more stress and therefore wear out faster. Load carried. When your car is heavy because it's carrying equipment or several people, the pressure exerted on the ground through the tires will not be the same as when you're driving it with no passengers or luggage, and tire wear will be different too. The mechanical condition of the vehicle, especially the suspension, where you keep the car stored, and what the tires are exposed to. There are also external, uncontrollable factors such as the road surface, how the road twists and turns, and the gradient or steepness of the road, the weather, the sun especially. You now have a better understanding of why tires wear out. But how do you know whether you need to change your tires to continue driving safely? How do you know when your tires are worn? To do this, you need to check the tire tread, which is the only part of the tire in constant contact with the road. On Michelin tires, you can check tire wear by examining the wear indicators located inside the main grooves of the tire. These are the small bumps here and these wear pits. To find them more easily, look for the Michelin man on the sidewall of the tire. The tire must be changed when the remaining tread falls to the level of the tread wear indicator. This means that the remaining tire tread depth is 1.6 millimeter, which is the legal minimum allowed. Beyond this level, your tires are bald and no longer comply with the local legislation. You should also be aware that a tire may suffer uneven wear on either its inner or outer edge. If this happens, as well as changing your tires, consider having your vehicle checked by a professional. Don't forget to check the general appearance of your tires. We recommend that you do this regularly, especially after hitting a curb or a pothole. Any change in the shape of the tire or any cracking should be a warning to you. And we recommend that you have your tire checked as soon as possible by a professional. Driving with damaged tires considerably reduces the vehicle's grip on the road and therefore negatively impacts your safety. On wet or snow-covered roads, for example, braking distances will be increased. So, what are the best tips for extending the life of your tires? Check your tire pressure regularly, at least once a month when your tires are cold, and always before long journeys. You will find your pressure information in the vehicle owner's manual, on the sticker on the inside of the driver's door, or sometimes on the fuel cap. The tire pressure information will be given in bar, PSI, or kPa. Also, check the condition of your valves. We don't think much about them, but they're very important. They ensure that the tires are airtight. If they're damaged, the tire pressure may drop. Valve caps also play an important protective role, so make sure they're screwed on tightly. And drive smoothly. Avoid sudden acceleration or braking and cornering at high speed. All these increase tire wear by putting more stress on the tires. If you have a 4-wheel drive vehicle, consider rotating the tires, i.e. swapping the front and rear pairs of tires. Lastly, avoid carrying unnecessary loads. That covers all the important information on tire wear. To subscribe and see updates from the Michelin Garage, just click here. Don't hesitate to send us your comments or questions. We'll be only too pleased to give you a quick response. Thanks for following us at the Michelin Garage, the garage of tire experts. Thank you for your confidence, drive happy and drive safe, and see you soon.